Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of your book B, and the name of the chapter is Population, Distribution, Density, Growth, and Composition. You all know that there are two books in your geography subject. First one is Fundamentals of Human Geography, and second one is India, People, and Economy. Both books are having the same chapters. The difference is only in their facts. So we do a parallel study of both books. So we in book A, in Fundamentals of Human Geography, you already learn about the what is population distribution, density of population, growth, and composition. But there you were come to know about the facts of world population. But in in your book B, India, People, and Economy, we'll discuss about only our country, only about India, its population distribution, its growth, and its composition. So let us start our first chapter. So we all know that people, they are very important components of any country. They are both consumers and manufacturers, and due to which the economy of the country runs. So India is the second most populous country after China in the world, and its total population is 1,210,000. Its total population is 1210 million according to the data of 2011, according to the census of 2011. So it's your 1 mark question. And India's population is more than North America, South America, and Australia. So in India, the population is very high, but here the limited resources are very limited. Here agricultural land is limited, industries are limited, mineral resources are limited. So that's why these limited resources, they are responsible for many socio-economic problems in our country. So in this chapter we'll discuss the pattern of distribution, population distribution, density, growth, and composition of India's population. Firstly, you have to know about that what are the sources of population data. Population data is collected through the census, and these census, they are conducted after every 10 years. And the first population census in India was conducted in 1872, but it was incomplete. So the complete census was conducted in 1881. So these are your important questions for 1 marks. When did a complete census was conducted in India, and incomplete census was conducted in India, and after how many years the population data is collected? After 10 years. So one by one we discuss all topics of this chapter. The first topic is distribution of population. So we all know that in India the population distribution is uneven. Some states there is a lot of population, and on the other hand there are some states where very less people are living there. So among these states, Uttar Pradesh, it's having a high population. After that, Maharashtra, Bihar, and West Bengal state. Here the population is very high in these states. See this map. It's a dot map of distribution of population of India, and one dot represents the population of 2 lakh persons. So you can see in this map, Uttar Pradesh states means northern states, northern plains. Here the population is very high. Then West Bengal, here the population is high. Then in Gujarat, coastal regions of Gujarat, coastal regions of Maharashtra, then Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, then Odisha. Here the population in coastal region the population is very high, because in these regions the proper availability of water is there. Then climate is also good for a population, uh, not harsh or not not harsh climate is there. Then availability of water is also here. But there are some states in our country like J and K. See here, there is a very less dots. Then Himachal Pradesh, then Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh. In these states or in the central part of India, here the number of dots are very less. Means here the population is very less. Because of their why the population is less in these areas? Due to the topography. Here the weather conditions are too harsh. Then there is no proper availability of water here. Then there is no proper means of irrigation here. Then um, topography or a land is not surfaced here, properly leveled here. So these states are having very less population. So we discuss all these. UP, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, along with Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka, and Gujarat. Here, the 76% of population is living in these states. But on the other hand, very small population is living in Jammu and Kashmir. Here, only 1.04% of population is living. Then Arunachal Pradesh, 0.11% of population is living, and then the Uttarakhand, 0.84 population is living here. But here the geographical area is too large. So this due to this uneven distribution of population, there are some factors which are responsible for this. Number one is physical factor, number two is socio-economic factor, and number three is historical factor. First one is physical factor. It is clear that climate along with terrain and availability of water largely determines the pattern of population distribution. Means a leveled land, fertile land, or proper availability of water, and then the pleasant climate conditions, they attract more population. So these areas, they attract more population. So that's why people, they prefer to live in those areas where the climate is good, then the land is leveled, then the proper availability of water. And these areas in India are North Indian plains, deltas, and coastal plains. Here the population is high as compared to the southern and central Indian states, Himalayas, some northeastern states, and western states. However, development of irrigation, availability of minerals, energy resources, and development of transport network have resulted in moderate to high concentration of population. Previously, those areas which are having a very less population, but due to the development of proper means of irrigation, due to the availability of different types of minerals and proper transport network, so the people, they also start moving to those areas which are previously very th- uh, thin populated. So, among the socio-economic and historical factors of distribution of population, important ones are evolution of settled agriculture and agriculture development, pattern of human settlement, development of transport network, industrialization, and urbanization. So, in socio-economic factors, what we discuss, those states which are having more industries and urbanized, and they are urbanized and proper, there. Good morning, everyone.